Everyone, welcome back to the study code. Today we're going to finish this lesson of grade 10, which is fifth chapter in 2025 to 2026 syllabus. So let us make sure that today we are going to finish this chapter. Alright, let's see. Okay, so today you can see this. Let's go. So children, this is what we are going to finish it today. Okay. So first we are going to go through the introduction, which is the definition of processes. Processes that maintain living state, example growth and report, are known as life processes. Example nutrition and respiration. Yeah, right? Yeah. Let us know more about nutrition. So this is, you can see the page numbers right here. This is all NCRT. This is all NCRT. Okay, children, this is all NCRT. So let us come back. What is autotropic nutrition? What is autotropic nutrition? Please open these respective page numbers in your book. Photosynthesis equation. This is our photosynthesis equation because we need to know our photosynthesis equation to know what is photosynthesis. First, they're giving us 6 carbon dioxide. So they have taken 6 carbon dioxides and they're adding them with 6 hydro 6 H2O, which is water. They are adding 6 water molecules into them, right? And they finally formed yes, C6H12O. So there are 12 in the place of 2, so 12 water molecules have been stored. Okay, so and plus the oxygen will be 6 oxygen particles. So this is our equation of photosynthesis. So let us see exactly what does this photosynthesis do and what is the component, what is autotroph, children? Who can prepare their own food. Let's see what is happening right here. What are they showing us? So this is the sun, children. Everyone knows the sun, right? Everyone knows the sun. The sun is giving its rays towards a plant. This is a plant. This is a plant. So when sun is giving his rays, as you can see here, 3 rays into the plant, food is being prepared, as you can see here. How is the food being prepared? Carbon dioxide is coming into the plant and oxygen is being released by the plant. Okay. Plus energy is added. Energy plus carbon dioxide. So what did we see here? Carbon dioxide plus water gives rise to, this is glucose, which is glucose plus oxygen. So this oxygen which was formed, it is going to release, and glucose is going to be the food, and CO2 is going to be the carbon dioxide, and water is going to be coming through the roots. Heterotopic nutrition, as you can see the page numbers, heterotopic nutrition means which depend on this, which depend on them. Who is them? Autotropics. For example, parasite, saprohytic, zoolohytic. These are the things or features. We'll talk more about them in the next. So here comes human digestive system. So what is this human digestive system? First we have mouth, which is amylase. Mouth, stomach, which is HCl and pepsin. Small intestine, villi and absorption. As you can see here, children, this is a portrait. So from here we are going to intake. When we intake our food from here, food is going to go into this First it is going to the stomach, where it will going to be staying here, and when the pancreas uh, uh, release their acid, it is going through the intestines and then from the anus out. So we are going to know about respiration. Okay, so respiration means there are two types of respiration, children: aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So human respiratory system. So, for example, a diagram, lungs, alveoli, gases exchange, all these things are going to be included in our human respiratory system. So, carbon dioxide test with water line test. That is, I'm going to tell you later. So, our next one is transportation. What is this transportation, children? I have already created a personal video for about transportation for grade 10, and make sure you see it, because in there I have detailedly explained every part of this lesson. So transportation one video, respiration one video, autotrophs and heterotrophs one video, food transportation one video, xylem and phloem, all these things I have created a video about all of these things. I'm going to post them soon, so make sure you be ready on your notifications. First is, in humans, there is a heart. It does double circulation. For example, blood components like RBC, WBC, platelets. In plants, there are xylem and phloem. Xylem is a water transportation, and phloem is a food transportation. Transpiration. You have the definition in page number 109. Excretion. So you will eat food, and the waste, where should it go? That was there is called excretion. So human excretion system. So which is page number 111, kidney nephron. So kidney is going to give way, like kidney's main component is nephron, which can be more read in page number 111, fig number and 6.30. Urine formation. Okay, urine formation, these are the most important components of this plants: stomach, stomata and shedding leaf. So how does this stomata looks, children? Casually, when you think that you have to draw stomata, how do you think it is going to look? I want you guys to post the you're going to draw the stomata, and you're going to post this tomato, which from I know you guys can access to the web and all this stuff. I want you to send it to my personal mail, which will be given in the end of the video. Drawing, physical drawing, not online drawings. Okay, so for conclusion, we are going to learn the chart. So this chart is going to take a lot of time, children. Okay, let's go. First thing we have learned in this chapter is nutrition, children. So nutrition are of two types: heterotropic nutrition and autotropic nutrition. First, when we come to autotropic nutrition, which are going to be plants, they are going to have something called photosynthesis, calling carbon dioxide plus water is given to glucose plus oxygen. Site of this thing happening is chlorophyll, the leaves. Heterotropic nutrition is going to be our second type. So these are the dependent ones. Animals and humans directly or indirectly depend on this factor. So holozytic digestion, mouth, stomach, this is what all the humans have. Parasitic means tapeworm, like they will be stick to a uh, host, and this process will take outside. So next up in our topic, we are going to have respiration. So this is going to be our next topic. In that, we are going to have two types of respiration: aerobic respiration with oxygen present, which is going to be this is the equation; anaerobic respiration with oxygen absent, which is going to be our in yeast and muscles, which is going to be lactic acid and alcohol plus carbon dioxide, which are mentioned here, are going to be our byproducts as shown. So what are these byproducts? All these I have explained clearly in a other video. So next is this transportation. In humans, circulatory system, heart, arteries, veins, blood, RBCs, WBCs, platelets, and all this stuff. And in plants, for example, transportation system, uh, xylem transports water plus minerals, roots to leaves. Phloem transports food, leaves to storage organs. So for example, this is our last topic, excretion. In humans, in humans organs would be like kidney, which is nephrons, and lungs, which would be carbon dioxide, and skin, which is going to be sweat, and process is known as reabsorption and union formation. And in plants it is going to be stomata, as I just brought the stomata easily, like two c's, bubble c's, dead leaves and toxic stores. uh, the fifth one is respiration, reproduction, but we don't have it yet. So that is the end of the chapter, children. Thank you so much. We will see meet you in the next video.